Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand change in number of chromosomes and number of DNA molecule during mitotic cell cycle. So suppose we have a cell and in that cell there are 4 chromosomes. Number of chromosome is 4. 1, 2, chromosome number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 chromosomes. So we know that cell cycle start from G1, growth 1 stage. So it is G1 of the cell cycle. At this stage, at G1, we will have 4 chromosome and also 4 DNA molecules. We know that one chromosome have one DNA molecule. That means if chromosome number 1, 2, 3, 4, chromosome number is 4, then DNA molecule will also be 4. This is G1. At G1, chromosome number and DNA molecule will be the same. That will be 4. Now coming to next phase, that is called S phase, synthesis phase. At this phase, we know that replication of DNA occurs. So if replication of DNA occurs, then this DNA will make a copy of itself. This also make a copy, this also make a copy, and this also make a copy. So here chromosome number at S phase are again 4, but DNA molecule here will become doubled. That is 8. Why? Because at S phase, chromosome will replicate itself, DNA molecule will replicate itself, but after replication, it will not detach from its parent DNA molecule or parent chromosome. It will remain attached. Look, this is chromosome. So this is the same chromosome. It make a copy of itself and this copy remain attached to that. So here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 DNA molecules, but chromosome number is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 chromosomes, but DNA molecules are 8. So at S phase, DNA molecule will be doubled the chromosome number. Now coming to G2 phase, growth 2 phase. At this phase, a little bit condensation occurs of this chromosome, but number will remain same. That is in S phase. So here chromosome number will be 4 and DNA molecule will be 8. Now coming to the next phase, that is called prophase. In case of prophase, we know that condensation occurs and chromosome becomes visible, but there is no further change in DNA molecule and chromosome number. So here chromosome number is 4 and DNA molecule is 8. Now coming to next phase, that is called metaphase. At this phase, we know that chromosome align themselves in a imaginary plane, that is called equatorial plate. So but the number of chromosome and DNA molecule will remain same as they are in prophase. So here chromosome number will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and DNA molecule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 8. Now coming to the next phase, that is called anaphase. In this phase, these attached DNA molecules that remain attached during S phase will separate, or you can say sister chromatid will separate. So if sister chromatid will separate, then each sister chromatid will become an independent chromosome. If it is attached, then it is sister chromatid. It is not a chromosome. But when it detached from sister chromatid that were attached, when it detached, then it become independent chromosome. Because why it is that it is independent chromosome? Because now it has its own centromere. If a chromosome or a DNA molecule have its own centromere, then it will be called chromosome. So now it is independent chromosome. So here we have at this stage chromosome number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and DNA molecule is also 8. So at anaphase DNA molecule and chromosome number will be the same, but they will exactly double in number as they are present in G1 phase. So they are, chromosome number is 8, DNA is also 8. Now coming to the next phase, that is telophase. In telophase, chromosome will reach to the opposite pole. Detached chromosome, as you can say, the detached chromosome in anaphase will reach to the opposite pole and nuclear membrane start developing in both the group of chromosomes. So here in that case, this is a cell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chromosome number is also 8, DNA molecule is also 8. Now coming to the last phase, that is called cytokinesis. In cytokinesis, cytoplasm will separate and each cell now divides itself into two cells. So here in cytokinesis, when we look at this cell, because now it is independent cell, we have chromosome number 4 and DNA molecules also, number of DNA molecule is also 4. Similarly in that cell also. So this is change in number of chromosome and DNA molecule during mitotic cell division, cell cycle or cell division. G1 phase, if a cell have 4 number of chromosome, then it have DNA molecule will be you can say 4 and chromosome will also be 4. During S phase, replication will occur, chromosome number remains same because they are attached. So they are 4. DNA molecule will become doubled. Now in next phases, that is G2, prophase, metaphase, the number remains same, that is chromosome number is 4 and DNA molecule is 8. So here chromosome number in case of metaphase is 4 and DNA molecule is 8. So chromosome number will be 4. In case of anaphase, the DNA molecule that are attached will separate. Now number of chromosome and DNA will become same. Similarly in case of telophase also, number of chromosome will be 8 and DNA molecule will be 8. But in cytokinesis, when cell will separate, chromosome number will be 4 again and DNA will be 4 again. So that is why this division is called equational division. Initially we have 4 number of chromosome, 4 DNA molecule. After division, this cell is divided into 2 cells and both of cell received same amount of chromosome, same number of chromosome and same amount of DNA molecule. So this is change in number of chromosome and number of DNA molecule during mitotic cell cycle.